Mfana. Listen. Listen. Okay. Okay, mom. Hey yo guys, what's up guys? It's a boy again, Tjhabination. After a long time, I think I'm gonna turn you. So guys, yeah, cut. Hey, one. Food in number.
Honey.
Hey, John. Hey. Okay, mama, John. Okay, so now good people, I just want to explain something before I continue with my vlog. As you saw right now, I just shown Petros. So the main purpose or the aim for that is to attract brands, food brands. So I want to work with brands, so I have to like change some things with my content. Obviously not show off, but market those brands so that they can approach me for collaborations. Hence why I'm doing this. Because I fully understand so I'm trying to get those collaborations and make some money so that because how we not. So this is mainly to attract brands so that we can work with brands and because now I'm a content creator. I create a lot of content. It's abundant too. So it's a bit just church side with Tjhabination, but whole I guess the brands. For sure, most of you guys haven't seen me work with brands, so that's what I'm trying to change right now. So it creates our content in a way. Get try to show the brands. So I'm just explaining this to you guys because the audience if there are changes to my content, get transparent and I tell you guys, okay, this and this is going to change. Please don't be surprised. It's mainly for brand partnerships. I want to work with brands, so it's about time I do something with my content. I try to adjust my content so that how to so that's the main aim. That's about it guys. So for now, please go and watch my video. Yeah, Petros on TikTok. Please go like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's go. Okay guys, so that's the update on my content and content in just pure. My intentions. Sponsor from the brands and a lifestyle. So to me it's not about lifestyle, but it's about working and collaborating with brands. I want to tap into clothing and food brands, so hence I'm trying this out. I just hope and pray la understand about so barateleng hore tikale baka leo fela ke etsang this change phetho ena e tsala fela ka baka leno jwale ke yona yo taba ba so barateleng ha re tsweleng pele ka foloko ka mmila ntse ke etsa o etsala jwang ka mmila ba so barateleng ke hlalositse he taba ka gona etsa majwang from now on hore ke tloetsa di video in what way or in which manner rather. Jwale he ba so barateleng mothating ona jwale ha re keneng tseleng travel with Tjhabination re bona rena re a hokae and re tlo explore happily the beauty of nature with Tjhabination. So re tsenjolo ba so barateleng, if you have watched till this far, please do make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe. For now we're going to travel the whole of Qwa-Qwa
actually not the whole of Qwa-Qwa, but some places in this town, just to show you the beauty of this town. I'm not gonna show myself, but I'm gonna do a voiceover so that when we pass these places, you actually know about them or their names. Hore di bitswa eng jwalo jwalo. Jwale ba so ba ratileng re tlo tsamaya jwalo ene ne re pota pote mohlaba o njejelela. Jwale ke kopa hlalosa ba esong hore travel with Tjhabination. Hona jwale re qala mona Qwa-Habedi ebe ha mmila ntso puta. As the journey goes on, we'll move to other places or other towns. So hona jwale, let's start here at home in Qwa-Habedi. Qwa-Qwa Thaba di mahlo thaba di mohodi. Hope you enjoy the video. So I get maybe it's gonna be a mixture of a vlog. It's actually a vlog, but you know most high mona so revisa travel with Tjhabination. So ke vlog ya travel. Ya tsamaya tlile to nka wa bona bjale ha tle re khathe hona mona ka mmila.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to travel. So I'm gonna tell you the names of these places that we're gonna pass, and basically what their names are. So this is the Charles Mopedi Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs and Free State Stars used to play their matches there. Actually, it was a home stadium for Free State Stars. So now Serele Mona, we are heading to Bush, and now this is Bolata. Aule Bolata ngwani sutse about to number 4. So we can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is the beauty of Qwa-Qwa. And then look again at those beautiful houses. These are the houses of Bolata. It's called Bolata village. And then Ranzeria we're gonna pass this school called Bolata Secondary School. So ke hona temono he. Kiseo sekolo sa Bolata. This is Bolata Secondary School. Sentse re feta jwalo fela ba eso ba rateileng o ko bone fela banna a o kolotsa lapeng mo dintle ka nnete o ibona o feta ka ntle o ra o banna wa itlwa he tlola ba eso ba rateileng. Look at the nature here. Look at those trees, the green trees, the grass. It's very green. It's just beautiful, it's just beautiful. This is nature. Well, it's not like fully nature, but you can see or know nature is beautiful. This is just a glimpse of how it looks like this side. So we're still in Bolata. Look at the view. This is a broad view of this village. And then Tabela Qwa-Qwa, the first mountain you come across when you enter at the town. So now, guys, Refeta Skolo Sena se bitswang Tibo Loa. This is a special school. Next to a place called Riverside. Ekiteo headi fada one. One road revolver. Aywana go ba na ditetiane dintle fa. Hona jwale we so ba rateileng se re le mona he sitsing sa mabenkele a o banna bo dintho di etsalang teng. Hey, ho thotse bile ho hotle icon. Remember the traffic that used to be here before ho fihla masole ba eso. O no tletse mona o tle a fihla masole. Bana ona fela o phutheile jwang o hlekeile jwang. But again, I think the reason why it's like this is because obviously it was Sunday afternoon. so people were not in town. And then in a rebona ba so ba rateileng ke plaza. This is called the Sitsing Plaza, and it was opened last year, which was in 2025 ka November. That's when it was officially opened. Ho no tlile mono morena wa Namahadi, ho tlile le mayor wa Maluti a Phofung. Ho no le tletse mono ba so ba rateileng. So this is just a beautiful plaza. So for the people that don't know, so we have a plaza right now, and it's so beautiful, it's spacious. Honale space for the koloi already park mono. And then this is the taxi rank. How it was sing peta mabaka mhlomongor. Hey, utlepela ke bale ke bana pula ke mathala ka taxi ranking ka mona. Yona taxi rank ya Qwa-Qwa ya local he mona. So rena local at this side, and then immediately when we pass taxi rank ya local, that's when we see taxi rank ya the long distance. Ya ya bo Gauteng he we tshwara ona mo ane ke ya Gauteng ya sekolo ne ke tla mona ba so ba rateile. This taxi rank is called Majaga Thata. I don't know why the name, but yeah, that's the name of the taxi rank. Ow, Afeta Mazda Kamila Danyenda. Tama jwale ba so ba rateileng re lebile jwale tlase mane re tla nne re tle ka yona nyana ne ke hlalosa hore mona rokae mane rokae o kile a bona sentse re tla fitla roboto ke o he tsane be se amaluti feta mane nyolola ja gola se ala pengwa se tshile jwale ka milandate. So guys, this is the school I used to go to, the Khola Tuto Secondary School, the mighty Kholas. Ke fitlile sekolong sena ka grade 8 ka qeta hantle grade 12. Missed the school, man. Feta mono he feta sekolong tsa tsama mona, and then the name of this place is Putarichaba. So immediately I qeta ho feta Sitsing, which is where people go to do mabaka a fapaneng, to buy groceries. Ke town antle na le mall mono. I just didn't show the mall, but we also have a mall in Qwa-Qwa called the Maluti Crescent Mall. It's a beautiful mall. So how nzoya heba so ba ratileng ka leto lena, just down there o kopana le this place that I'm showing right now. The name of the place is Putarichaba. And look at those houses. Ntse re shebile mona le motjhana re tsama le ntate mona re fihla robotong tsa plakrach mona ya Astro. Ya Astro no ga pa banna ke ya Astro. Feta he Prime Butchery. Hey. Gaya ba eso ba gatile. Gore ke bona tsatsing la ka jeno ntho tsena di hlaile hantle fela. And then re feta toronko ya bana. Ke toronko ya bana mona. So if you are a teenager ntso sa behave hantle, itukise ngwane so itshware hantle hobane jwale o tla enda pa so le ka mo. Tukise itshware hantle, fetwa megweng ya hao, ipatlele morena Jesu fela. A re ba so ba ratile re ka ta feta toronko bana he jwale se re tla fihla mona, se re tla feta because se re tla fihla jwa. Se re tla feta information center. That's where Qwa-Qwa Radio is. We have a radio station in Qwa-Qwa called Qwa-Qwa Radio, and this is where it is. It's at information center. Arabona those buildings over there, or not more. So now we are passing the robots Mona information center. So yeah, this center basically is called the information center. At those buildings, di building tseno di le mono jwale re tsama he ba so rateileng. So ha ntse re tsa jena he se re lebile teng Blue Gambush, and I'm gonna show you guys where I used to live. Is it to stay or to live? I get there when I was still a child. I think I was 2, 3. I was a baby, man. So now what I'm going to tell you, what I've noticed about this place called Bush is that there are actually a lot of businesses this side. So if you're a person looking to open a business, kapabo ing fela, I prefer o check ngwane so hlakoreng lena o shebe hore na ha o letho la ka ba local good la nna ka mona. Jwale ho jwalo ha ba so ba rateleng. Bush is so clean. It has beautiful houses. Kore wa bona ke Qwa-Qwa ke suburbs tsa Qwa-Qwa, but ha se tse hodimo man. Hona le pleke o thwang ke di-belt e nngwe e teng pleke o thwang ke elite. Ai matlo a ka mono ba so ba rateleng. Maybe I'll go there some other time and show you guys. So if you want to Bush mona, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at those beautiful houses. So since mona, so let me tell you a story, ne? Hanze re tsamaya tseleng mona, re kopane fela le batho ba ntseng ba lwantsha. Hey, ho tswa ke tse o tshwere motho mono phakathi o kopana. I don't know if it will show here, but I think if it is a video when you got there. So mphakathi no kopane mono kopanela ntate na banna ba batho ha ke tse o entseng jwale ba molelekisa wa ba le ba ba molata. But these are the sites here in Bush. If you want to buy a site, you can just come here and ask the people who live there or how did they get their sites, and maybe you'll not have money so you can take one issue. Look at that mountain. Oh, so the name of this place, as I mentioned, is Bush. This is Bush. So there's Club View, there's Mpatalatsani, and there's Bush. This is Bush. Look at those beautiful houses, guys. The streets are so clean. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you where I used to stay, where I used to live. So this is the house. Childhood memories. But I can't show the house number. How handle it we're going back home. Unfortunately, and it was also late again, so we had to go. And then sheba fela sebopeo sa Tjhabination. Jwale mona re bua ka Qwa-Qwa, Thaba di mahlwa, Thaba di mohodi ke teng lapeng mo sehlwa ehlile lehlwang Tjhabi ke pele bja e ke re ke tsa thothokiso ba so ba rateleng. But look at that beautiful view. Ke sunset he. So re feta hape information center. I told you guys about those buildings, and re feta mono re Qwa-Qwa radio is there. And this is a shopping center. It's called the Mandela Park Shopping Center. As you can see, Cash Bill, ShopRite, OBC if you want to buy meat, chicken leg in, there's KFC. So you can just come there if you avoid going to City, because most of the time it's always packed. So here, this is the traffic department kan qane mona ke khawashi na ba se dula etletse ke kala bona khawashi dula etletse no
divider tsai o chito thinthe le go le ka mo
Putwa handla tsang ke mosebetsi wa December ba so ba gatile. Okay then vlog e tla tama eme hanyane ba se ngare tsebe se re tla bona ntse re sebetsa ma ka mmila.
Tsama le yona ntsheping ke ne ka le ni ka o fa ke la jwang wa o be no tswamo ke re dula so wa se tsa ke ga
Yeah, no, that's my older sister, guys. I love those moments, guys. They're funny moments. You know, I'm gonna watch this again and I know I'm gonna laugh while editing or while watching the video. Can I go in now or hey, you are like a siblings here, the height you guys home. Emba the ratwen zelona lenu either way. Let you batla on ha better ba kira. Aule mo hlangana. Ba hlangana mamelang, ba thabacha mamelang. My fellow brothers, if you are a brother and then you're gonna say, nah, I'm not gonna touch this, maybe na ye tlhatswediana na ha ke fiele bo kitchening kapa ke fiele bo ditubu a ke tseng di tletswa ke mang he ba so ba rateileng ha o sebediswa mo mosebetsi o tswala pele. Well, I'm saying this to my brothers hore e thute mosebetsi o santsana le montse tlase dina ho ga o hola ska kopana le mathata na hana jwale he o sole mohola o tsebe mosebetsi ha o tsebe lo ga yana ke tsena o dula le mong yana ke tsane tletse zing tla me avelo late mothotlo mo padala o itse ha engwane soma jwale ha peta ba ke ena o tla botswa mona my brother my sister o lo dula ka ntle kwana maybe o phesiwa di studies tsa hao ha o fihla mono you gonna stay alone obviously o tlo dula o le mong gore la o ka share o tla me o be responsible o tsebe o kolomaka o tsebe o hlatswa diana o ska nna dula ka mentality ona o ra ntho tsena ke tse tswang ke batho ba bomme fela o tlo sokola my brother ke o bolela jwale re thute mosebetsi bo ntate hona jwale ke santsane ke tswa ke sa lo bona gore na dijalo kwana ke no se tsa jwang ho jwale ba so ba ratileng ha re leboa se mana mama fahla ke mana ba batjhana AK Tjhabination foloko e tswela pele kamila.
One more thing, I want to say, it's moments like these that shape you as a man. Horoska hola obe monna botswa. O ithuta mosebetsi o santsane o le montse tlase. Ha re tswele pele.
Ba so ba rateileng a ke tsona tseno he tsa foloko. Jwale foloko e tswela pele, the vlog is continuing. As you saw, guys, I was just gardening earlier on. So ke qetile bona ka dijalo mona. Wa di bona re jwale di batla hentse di tlanyane jwalo se di batla di ntlafetse jwalo he ha re bona rona bona jwale ha re tloa mo re kena ka tlong re tsa jwang re qala kae re ya kae so yeah.
Okay guys, jwale he ba so ba ratileng. I think it's 27 minutes past 10 right now. It's 10 p.m. It's very late, right? So I'm about to go live and show you guys the whole process. Please don't mind my voice. It's late. I don't want to make noise. I'm gonna go live right now. I'll just show you when I set up and everything. Alright, so guys, this is my setup for when I go live on TikTok. Yeah, for my live stream I use this PC over here, a speaker for sound, this phone for checking myself on the live. What else? Then I have this ring light over here. This is an 18-inch ring light. You can find it on Takealot. If you also want to start streaming, I prefer this ring light. You know, it's so bright, super bright. For sure you guys can see. And then this is the place, you know, the magic happens on this couch over here. Yeah, so basically that's about it, guys. I'll show you behind the scenes when I actually start recording, or when I start recording when I go live. So this is mainly for TikTok. So if you want to become a professional streamer, get yourself a good PC and some good lighting, then you'll be good to go. And a speaker, obviously. And not the reason why I use a speaker is because I don't have an audio interface yet. So yeah, hence I use the speaker. But for professional streamers, they use an audio interface and a microphone. So for the microphone, for the sound, for people to hear me properly on the lives, this is what I use. I use the AKG Samsung earphones. It's the AKG Samsung earphones. So what I do is to plug these earphones on the laptop, and okay, I'll just like show you the tutorial of, you know, when doing this whole thing, just so that you guys can see what happens.
I have TikTok live studio over here. Now this is a tutorial video. Tsa bana e qadile ntse ke re ke ikela live fela jwale se ke tsa tutorial jwale, but it's fine. TikTok live studio, you have to download this app on Chrome on your laptop. Yes, run as administrator. Okay, we're waiting for the app to load. Here it is, preparing your studio. So yeah, so after it opens, this thing is right now I'm recording with the phone I'm supposed to use for my live, so I won't be able to show you guys how I connect my phone to the laptop so that the quality is okay. So I don't have a camera, I use my phone. So I just click on go live and the screen will appear, the home screen will appear. This is how my live looks. So as you can see, it's written here that phone camera disconnected. So I'm gonna have to like connect my phone camera, and to do that I go to settings. Actually, you go to source, you add a source, go to source. After clicking on source, you're gonna see a lot of options: game capture, camera, Windows capture, image, text, link, video. And what you're gonna do is click on phone camera, but I can't click on it obviously because it's already here. So yeah, for you guys, since it's gonna be the first time, for some of you guys that are gonna start using this app, you're gonna click on sources and then click phone camera. So mine is already active, so I'm gonna just cancel it and click on this phone camera, and then I don't know if you guys can see the settings button over here. Then you're gonna have a QR code. If you want to connect your phone with Wi-Fi connection, or camera with Wi-Fi connection, or USB cable, you can actually connect the USB cable from the phone to the laptop so that your phone's camera can work. So this is where it's gonna appear after scanning this code. Let me just show you guys quickly. Okay guys, I think the quality is gonna change. I'm using another phone right now. I just want to show you how I do this thing. So I scan the code over here. We can see this is it here on the screen, the QR code. Click on this link over here. It's gonna take me straight to TikTok. And what we're gonna see on the laptop immediately after scanning the code and opening the link, this message is gonna appear on the laptop. There's the name of my device, Samsung SMA55 is trying to connect. Please confirm if this is you. So I have to confirm that. Confirm. And just like that, your phone will be your camera for your live stream. So if you don't have a professional camera, you can just like use your phone. If your phone also has like great quality, you can just use your phone for live streams. You don't necessarily need a camera to start, just use your phone. So after connecting my phone, we can see the phone over here on the screen. I just plug the phone here on my thingy, on the ring light. So let me quickly do that. Okay, so now the phone is on the ring light, it's on the tripod, ne? This is how it looks. Yeah, eita. Hela kgotsombo ba eso ba rateileng. Ke nna yole man. Ka mmila. Right. So I'm gonna click apply, and then yeah, this is how my live is gonna look. This is just a preview of the live, of how the live is gonna be. I haven't clicked on go live, but this is how it's gonna be. If I wanna check how it's gonna be, maybe the preview, I can click on mobile preview over here. Then it's gonna show me how the live is gonna look
on a mobile phone. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. There's my name over here, Tjhabination. This is the screen. So yeah, this is how I live stream. So if you want to know maybe more about TikTok live studio, I'm still learning, guys. I'm still learning, but I can also do tutorials on how maybe to add this stickers over here. The stickers, Tjhabination, those are my social media profiles. You can check them out on YouTube. I'm here. This is a YouTube video, of course. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So that's it over there. And then this is the live goal. So I'll just like do a tutorial if you want to learn more about this so that you can also start live streaming. So yeah, enough of the explaining, guys. Let me actually go live. A regular chin-chang real quick. Keep live. Camila. Okay, guys. I want to explain this thing again. The reason why I connected a phone as a camera is simply because my PC camera is not that good. It's not that good. Most PC cameras don't have a great camera. So if you maybe perhaps think that I'm using this camera from the PC, no, I'm not. I'm not. Ke sebedisa camera ya phone ba se ba ratileng. So yeah, that's how it is. Let me actually show you how it looks like if maybe I use the camera straight from the laptop. Can I get that? How do I do this? Window capture, no. If I'm gonna use Bona, this is how I'm gonna appear. Ke blurrinyana. It's not that bad, maga. I know. But I know. I just prefer this one instead. This one. Yeah. Alright, guys. Peace out.
Hey, yo, what's good, guys? It's another day and we're vlogging again. Today we'll be working Qwa-Qwa. Mosebetsi ba so ba rateileng kwa December go thabelo ba lo kuta bo jwang. Jwale, let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Probably this will be the last day of vlogger. I don't know if something comes up tomorrow and if I go somewhere I'll vlog. But as for now, ha re tsweleng pele ka vlog Camila. Au banna tse bohloko di feel. Jwale ba so ba rataileng, this car is not well. It has many problems, so it was being fixed today. It was getting fixed. So are tsebe hore na e tla loka kapa jwang. We're just hoping for the best. So ba ratileng ho jolo here mona Texas Bears mona Qwa-Qwa Tjhabination ke yona he mo re leng teng tsatsing la ka jeno. Jwale re itse ba so re tlo collecta some parts, and yeah, hona jwale o kene ntate empa ke tla bontsha nyanyane fela nne ke tsipe hangwe habedinyana jwale floko ke yena ba so ba ratileng hona mona he Qwa-Qwa Texas Bears. Jwale I'm gonna vlog for a while. I know I did promise already the vlog is gonna end, but I so fele jwale intse jeni jena ba so ba ratile ngapa intse so fele jena. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Ha re kene go tsona se mana mama fatla ke mana mabachana kamila. Guys, just look at that mountain. Look at that beautiful mountain. That's the Table Mountain for those who don't know. Ke yona he Tjhabination ya tafole. O tla fumane ka re ngitlile ntse tafole. O ka hla ya tafole tuku mono ka nnete le di plate wa hla kena di. Ba utlwa he. Yona mona he ba so ba ratileng Matias. Ja ha Matias ke mole ba so ba ratileng. I don't know if you can see. Ke yona mona he. Ke yona mona he. Mona Phutha Ditjhaba, and then mona on the side Renale Mamello Primary School. It's next to Mafube ke yana ka ana tsela sekondiri. For the people who don't know, nane ke kena school mane le Tlotlo Primary School. Igemele. I don't know if Barabal Tlotlo still sing that song. That was a song for sekolo tla mane pariting hlowina pina eno. Igemele le tlotlo le pejo la rona le pejo la sekolo. Yeah, that's how the song used to go, guys. Ke yona theme song ya le Tlotlo Primary School. It was our theme song back then. I don't know if it's still the theme song hona jwale kapa mohlomong there's another song e tshintshileng. But ke yona ho mono ba se ba ratileng. Ke a tshepa le tla le like mono. Rona mona Qwa-Qwa Tjhabination. Yep, so this is what we came here for, guys. There's piston rings, and we also have some other things at the back. I'll just show them right now. So the Isuzu. So guys, I just want to say, if maybe you wanna buy a table for a diesel van, Isuzu diesel van, you can just contact me. The details ke tla di kenya fela screen mono. Jwale he ya ho jwalo he re tetse tsona tsena di rings tsena, and then hape hona le thaka le leng ka morao ka mona e ka re hleke he jwala ke tsebe ke bona ka reng ke frame ya di phone bia ona phone tsena ka morao ka mona lens ya camera e hlile ka nnete e wantla e tshwana le yona re ke hlahisa bona jwa. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Wa ona ra gona ka go tla tloa ke na phone o ma S25 Ultra nyana mo ya hlella ngwana o se ja o bit e ka re covered camera ka nnete ba la ke tsebo gore bitswa la yona e bitswang thaka lena ke lena ile ngotswe Matias pese e popo bokoso 63 67 Phutha Ditjhaba Zafa ke tsona tseo he e tswa Northern Natal ya ka nnete tswa ka masolong a kwana ba eso ba gateile ke yona he o thwe fragile le lambanna e fragile wa go ka mantswa mang fragile e tsagwa e batla ihliswe tswa gantle e tshwana le lehe ha o ka dia ya tlhatle e bang ke nepa. I'm just joking. And the accent le skela e minda holo ba le skela le mala ba se moreneng ke itewela tle keep watching a go tswela mpele ka mmila. Hey, o wana tse bohloko ba eso ba gatileng go go jwale venele ga ya gona o loka diphatse tse le ka nnete di mahala mona ai Di reketswe mahala baeso ba ratile goba ke eno still ntse sa loka ke mathata fela ha ana o tsoa vene jwale baeso ha re sa tsa ga jwale se batla empa hona jwale I'm gonna show what happened on Christmas Day and end the vlog. Thank you for watching till this far. Jwale baeso ba ratileng, since I didn't really vlog on Christmas Day, I'm gonna explain what happened. I just took a few clips, I'll just post them. So this was early in the morning when I arrived. This is Sunday school, ya ka Sethunya ka mono, but ha fella, others were not there. So re fihle re bararo tjena baeso ba ratileng, and we took some pictures. We actually shot a video. I'll play the video right now.
Hey, hi, man, hey.
3, 2, 1. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Kamila! Oh, what a wonderful Christmas it was. This church is located at Hasitunya. When you arrive there or when you get to the place, just ask about the ground called Makhulo. Ground ya Makhulo. But the best advice I can give is that when you are close to the ground called Makhulo in Hasitunya, can just dial the numbers that are appearing on the screen or WhatsApp them. Each and every Sunday at 10:30 a.m. And then by Sbarratile Mona Henserlemani Clarence, Kitama Mona Lenta Teleme, Kimantibuya la Christmas. So guys, follow when it's all up it's a lemona, but we parked at the side just to take some pictures. I get are you still enjoying the vlog? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. I think this is the right time officially to end the vlog. Now, I've been saying in this vlog that look at the view. Look at this. My message for this Christmas is stay safe, take care. Peace. Follow what you want, so I think you had a lot out at never got the yeah. But unfortunately, everything comes to an end. So, please watch another vlog, like, comment, share, and subscribe.